Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your password on Threads. Stick around till the very end to learn how to update your password quickly and securely. So let's get started. Start by opening the Threads app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and this will open the menu. Now in the settings menu, choose account and here you will see various options related to your account settings. Unfortunately, Threads does not allow you to directly change your password within the app. Instead, click on Security and this will redirect you to your Instagram app as Thread is linked to your Instagram account. And once you're in the Instagram, click on Change Password, select the profile where you would like to change the password and then enter your current password and then type your new password and then retype it to confirm it and then click on apply to save the changes. And once your Instagram password is updated, your Threads account password will automatically be changed as well. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.